Today we will study the novel Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens of second paper. Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is written by Charles Dickens, 1812 born and 1870 died. Charles Dickens may be declared as one of the greatest genius among the English novelists. He belongs to the 19th century. He belongs to the 19th century. He began his life as a footman, means his life was very miserable. He was very fond of taking wine, means वो शराब के भी शौकीन थे और बहुत ज़्यादा शराब पिया करते थे. Early life of Charles Dickens. His studies were neglected and he was left to roam on the streets. His early life was not good. Why his parents were worried, means when he roamed on the streets, then his parents were very worried. The family was growing under more and more burden of debt. Often there was no dinner. Dickens' personal career. In the age of 12, Dickens was sent to work at Warren's blackening house. He hated his work, means his heart devoted to literature, to write. He wanted to write, but he was sent to Warhouse. He hated this work. He got job in London newspaper office as a parliament reporter after some time. At the age of 24, he continued this job. After the age of 24, he continued his job as Dickens. Grew older, he worked hard. He was hard worker, so he worked hard and he became ambitious. He decided to become a writer. His heart devoted to literature, so he decided to become a writer. Dickens' first publication appeared in 1833 in Month magazine under his pseudonym of Baz. Very important. These points are very important for exam. Here in this line, 3 short questions. However, his first great successful publication, the Pickwick Papers. First great successful paper always make highly enjoyable reading by this. Nicholas and Atoll of Two Cities and David Copperfield, also 3 novels. If any question put up in exam, write the 2 or 3 novels of Charles Dickens, then we can write these names. David Copperfield is probably the most popular of his novel. David Copperfield is the most popular novel of his. It is certainly a most autobiographical. And Dickens' first love, Dora, in David Copperfield, Maria Badnell. और जो चार्ल्स डिकेंस है, उनका जो फर्स्ट लव था वो डेविड कॉपरफील्ड की कैरेक्टर जो डोरा है उसको माना जाता है. And now today we will talk about the main characters and locations of this novel. Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is the hero of this novel. The main character in the novel is Oliver Twist. Soon he became orphan. His life has a happy ending in this novel. His earlier life was not happy, but his the end of his life was very well. So a long question also put up on Oliver's character. All is well that ends well, and this question we solve on next day and next session. Mr. Bumble. Mr. Bumble, a parish beadle, a cruel, selfish, flattery loving and greedy man. Mr. Bumble was a very bad man. He always hurt Oliver. Mr. Mon. Mr. Man. Sorry, Mrs. Man. Man, a lady in charge of country workhouse, cruel, selfish, greedy and flatterer. She is also a bad lady. His works are not good. She is a selfish lady. Mr. Sowerberry. Mr. Sowerberry. Sowerberry is a coffin maker. Sowerberry is a coffin maker, a soft person like Oliver. Sowerberry is a coffin maker and a soft person like Oliver. But had to beat Oliver to please his wife. मिस्टर सावरबरी जो हैं वो एक अच्छे पर्सन थे, पर उनको अपनी वाइफ को खुश करने के लिए ओलिवर को पीटना पड़ता था. नेक्स्ट, नोआ क्लेपोल. A charity boy. Noah Claypole is a charity boy. In London, he joins Fazin gang. And a very hateful character at the end of the novel. He is also a hateful character. This hateful character. Fagin was a Jew, leader of the gang of thieves. Fagin was a leader of the thieves and pickpockets. जो क्या करते थे, चोरों का जो गैंग था उसका लीडर था, और जो जेब कतरे थे उनका. मीन्स his doing was also bad. Diverts, and he also diverts many young boys and girls on the path of the robbery, pickpocketing and other crimes. Means यह जो फैजिन है ये क्या करता था, ये ऐसे बुरे कामों को अंजाम देता था और अपने इस चुंगल में यंग्स को फंसा लेता था, यंगस्टर को इसमें फंसाता था और क्राइम्स को अंजाम देता था. एंड हैप्पी एंड ऑफ हिज लाइफ अनट्रस्टवर्दी, और इसका जो जीवन है एंड हिज लाइफ वाज ऑल्सो अनहैप्पी. स्टूडेंट्स, रिमेंबर द बैड कैरेक्टर्स. Students, remember these characters, bad characters. Next है Bill Sykes, a strong built fellow, 35 years. He is 35 years old. And looking fierce and ill-natured. He murdered Nancy. he murdered Nancy. It means he is also a murderer and he is not by good natured. His end was also unhappy. Next, Nancy. Nancy was a girl. Nancy was a girl in the gang of Fazin, mistress of Bill Sykes, helped in robbery and pickpocketing. She helped Oliver to save him. Murdered by Bill Sykes. Unhappy end of her life. Nancy was good, but his life's end was not good. Mr. Brownlow. Mr. Brownlow is an old man. Mr. Brownlow was an old man and soft-hearted. Brownlow was old man with soft-hearted to Oliver, and he saved to Oliver the clutches of Fazin and adopts him. Brownlow, a bachelor, thought his and adopts him as his son. A generous, unselfish and noble person. Mr. Brownlow, a bachelor थ्रू आउट हिज लाइफ. इन्होंने अपने जीवन में शादी नहीं की और ये एक बहुत अच्छे और एक आदर्श वाले व्यक्ति थे. मॉन्क. ऑलिवर हाफ ब्रदर. मॉन्क जो है वो ऑलिवर का ब्रदर है. हाफ ब्रदर मीन्स ये उसकी दूसरी माँ से पैदा होता है. हिज रियल नेम एडवर्ड लीफोर्ड. दिस इज ऑल्सो a second question. His identity is late exposed in chapter 40. इनकी जो आइडेंटिटी है वो चैप्टर 40 में हमारे को एक्सपोज हो रही है. इन चैप्टर 25 ही कम्स एज ए स्ट्रेंजर, tall, strong, having dark hair and eyes. He knows Monk knows that Oliver is the legal heir of his father's property. He tries to turn Oliver into thief. ये मॉन्क जो है ये अपने जो हाफ ब्रदर था ऑलिवर, इसको ऑलिवर को टर्न ओवर इन द हाफ, इसको जो चोरों की मंडली थी उसमें शामिल कर देना चाहता है. नाउ वी रीड द इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेसेस ऑफ द नॉवल. स्टूडेंट्स, listen carefully and read the chart carefully because many questions put up from this flow chart, and by this we can clear our most question by this flowchart. Important places in the novel. London. Important places in the novel. London. London, a main place of Oliver Twist. ऑलिवर जो है ऑलिवर की एक्टिविटीज़ का. लंदन इज़ अ मैन इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस इन ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट एक्टिविटीज़. फील्ड लैन हाइट ऑफ फैजिन. बिकॉज फैजिन है वो छिपकर काम करता था और गंदा जो उसका वहाँ पे एक गंदा और डरावना जो एटमॉस्फियर था वो यहाँ पर क्रिएट करता था. Chattersea is a place of residence of Mrs. Melai. Chattersea is a place of residence place of Melai, Mrs. Melai. London Bridge. This is a very important place where Nancy meets Miss Rose and Mr. Brownlow at this place to give the secrets about Oliver. To give the secrets about Oliver. Oliver की जो भी सीक्रेट्स थी उन्होंने उसको यहाँ पर बताया था. Three cripples. It is a name of an inn in London. ये एक लंदन की सराय का नाम है. And monk usually stayed here. And monks stayed when he came to London on this place. 3 cripples. जैकब्स आइलैंड. नैन्सी के मर्डर के बाद बिल साइक्स यहीं पर आ जाता है जैकब्स आइलैंड पे. द वेस्ट इंडीज. Mr. Brownlow got there after Oliver leaves him in London. And Pentonville. Mr. Brownlow's residence in Pentonville. Mr. Brownlow's residence in London. And now in today is our topic complete, and in our next session, in the next class, we will solve the important questioning solution of this novel. Okay, thank you.